virtual PE class. Today, we've got some low impact movements and a yoga cool down. Alright, now it's time to limber up. First, we're going to start off with some body twists. Stand in place and twist your body. Next, we're going to move to some quad pulls. Focus on your balance and hold your quadricep. Don't forget to switch to the other side. Now we've got a little floss action. Loosen up those hips. Now we're moving on to some push-ups. Get strong, everybody. If you can't do it from your toes, go ahead and do a modified push-up from your knees. Now go ahead and flip it over for some core strength curl-ups. Now go ahead and move to a crab position, but get your legs straight and bend your arms for some dips. Now go ahead and stand up and keep your back straight with your legs shoulder width apart. Take a deep squat and focus on your form. Solid stretches, everybody. Now it's time for some warm-up exercises. Get ready to follow along with the music and copy the moves. Awesome warm-ups, everybody. Only 5 more seconds. Finish up, don't quit. Now it's time for a cool down. Take a seat and catch your breath. Don't forget to sit tall and breathe deeply in through your nose and out through your mouth. Relax your body and focus on your breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Now that we've had some time to recovery breathe, we're going to close out with some light yoga. Do your best to follow along and copy the movements.
joining our fall fitness warm-up. If you're a student, go ahead and click off to your next activity. But if you're a parent or a teacher and you're a little sore, stick around for our sponsor, Tautronics, for a 20% discount on their new 10-level percussion massager. Tautronics 10-level percussion massage gun. Are you feeling tight, fatigued, cramped, or sore? Tautronics percussion massage gun offers 6 different attachments in a 10-level deep massage. Built and designed to deeply relieve muscle soreness and improve post-workout recovery with its 10 adjustable speed levels and 6 custom massage heads. All included with your purchase: 18 months warranty extension, priority customer support, 60-day free return shipping, and VIP exclusive discounts on other products. The Tautronics massage gun features low noise, 10 levels of intensity, high torque motor, 6 massage heads, a rechargeable battery, lightweight and portable, and a digital display. It can fully charge in 4 hours and has a 4 to 10 hour operating time depending on selected speeds. Tautronics. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for 20% off. Use the promo code above.